The most popular meme sounds of 2025. So probably the most newly used meme sound of 2025 is the FA sound effect, spelled F-A-H. It goes like this. Yeah, you've definitely heard it while scrolling on social media. Well, according to the internet, it came from the YouTuber and Twitch streamer known as Talion. So congrats, you've made one of the biggest meme sounds of 2025. Next, for all of 2025, when I scroll on social media, I swear I hear every viral video having this sound effect. And nobody knows where it actually came from. Because I recently saw a younger kid comment saying it was that TikTok song. But no, he got it very wrong, because it actually came from The Legend of Zelda: Ocarina of Time that was released on the Nintendo 64 in 1998, and here's how it sounded in the game. Yeah, so it's not that TikTok song.